Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have taken the topic factorization. Let us learn how to factorize algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions can be factorized using many methods. We will discuss the most common two methods in this session. So here the two methods which I have taken is by taking out common factor and by grouping. Firstly, taking common factor. I have taken the two sums to show you. So xy plus xy square. Xy plus xy square, it can be written as x into y to their factors, xy factors, x into y plus x into y. Okay, we can write in the product of their irreducible form. We can write it as a product of irreducible form like this, x into y plus x into y. So we will see what is common here, x into y and x into y. So the common factor which is there in both the terms are x into y. So take that out. So we will get here x into y we have taken out, so nothing is there. So we have to take it as 1 xy. We have to take it as 1 plus here we have taken xy and only y has been left. So y we have to take. So the factors here is xy and 1 plus y we are getting. This is in the irreducible form, right? So similarly the second one, 9bx square plus 15b square x. So 9bx square, the factors of all this, 3 into 3, 9 is 3 into 3 into b into x plus 5 into 3 into b into x. So here in these two terms we are getting 3bx as common in both the terms. So remove the 3bx out. So what we are left with, 3x plus 5b, right? So next we will see the second method. The second method is by grouping. So how to do that by grouping? So see here, 3ab plus 6bc plus 4ad plus 8cd, like this we have got. So now before grouping, let us find all the factors out. 3 into a into b plus 3 into 2 into b into c. This for your knowledge I have writing this. 3 into 2 into b into c plus 2 into 2 into a into d plus 2. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into c into d. Right? Now this term only we have expanded here and written. This term only we have written. So in this two we are going to group now. This is by grouping, since we will group these two terms and these two terms, because we are not finding any common factors here. No common we are seeing, so we will group this. So first these two terms we have grouped. We will see any common factors here. So 3 and b or common factor here. So 3b we will take it out. So what will be remaining? A plus 2c plus, so in these two terms what are the common factors? We will see 2 into 2 into d. See, 2 into 2 into d, 2 into 2 into d, both the terms it is having. So we are taking this out. So a plus 2c will be remaining. So now we can see the other common factor here, one more common factor, that is a plus 2c. So we will take it out. A plus 2c, 3b, a plus 2c plus 4d, a plus 2c I have written. So now a plus 2c is a common factor here. So we will take it out. A plus 2c into 3b plus 4d. 3b plus 4d. I hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching.